Hello and welcome to this cyber video tutorial on one of the ways to import a file in MarkMagic on the AS400 platform. In the last video we created an export with a format and two graphics to send to one of the cyber support representatives. Today we are going to use that file to go over how to import into your MarkMagic user library. To start out, we need to make sure that we have placed the exported file into our IFS in the /home/cybra folder. And as you can see here, we have sample export.mmx in our IFS, and this is the file that we will be importing. Now we can open up MarkMagic. Make sure that you are in the user library that you want the imported graphics and formats to be saved under. Once we are logged in under the correct user library, we can press U for Utilities and I for Import. If you are on a runtime license, you'll need to use options 4 for Utilities and 1 for Import. And if you wish to run this from a command line, you need to know this impmmobj command. On the import screen, we need to worry about a couple of parameters. First is restore from device. When we made our export, we specified *PC file as the file type, so we'll need to use that again for our import. MarkMagic object type, printer type, and group allow you to filter the objects that will be imported. But in this example, we want to import everything in the file, so we're going to leave it as *all. Replace or add records allows us to specify what MarkMagic will do with the files in the event that there is a duplicate of that file name in the user library. I recommend using *select so that we can manually choose what to import as well as have the option to rename it. *replace will automatically overwrite your old format wherever there is a naming conflict, and *add will skip over any formats whose name is already in use for that user library. From PC file is where you define the path and the name of the import file. We put ours in the /home/cybra directory, and it was named sampleexport.mmx. So what we currently have here is fine. Now we can press enter, and MarkMagic will advance us to select what files we want to import. Unlike in the export tutorial, MarkMagic is automatically going to skip over any of the object types that are not present in the file. So we will not see rules, we will not see jobs, and it will automatically take us to the formats screen. We see here the format that we exported, and we want to bring into this new MarkMagic user library. So we give it option 1 and press enter. This is where we have an opportunity to rename the format. This is a new user library, so there is not currently a format named tutorial, so I'm not going to be renaming in this example. However, this is where you would do that if you wanted to. If we press enter, we will see that our format shows selected on the right side, and we can press F19 to continue. We'll also see here that both of the graphics in this file are tied to that format, and they have been pre-filled out with option 1. So when we press enter, it will ask us to either renumber or just press enter again to confirm these graphics. Press enter twice to confirm them both, and we'll see that they've each been selected. F19 to continue. And since graphics were the last object type present in our import file, MarkMagic will take us back to the main menu screen and display a message that says 0 monitors, 0 jobs, 1 format, and 2 graphics have been imported from PC file. In order to double check that, if we press F for format and O for open, we'll be able to select our device, and that is the correct printer type. And if we press F4 on format name, we will see here that this tutorial format has been brought into our system. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you very much.